Getting rid of ants in your house can be done with a simple few steps, okay? Here's how. Easy. Number 1, clean up. Start by cleaning your kitchen and dining areas, okay? Wipe down the counter, sweep the floors, make sure there's no food or crumbs or spills that might attract the ants. Obviously, this is step number 1. Number 2, seal entry points. Look for cracks or gaps around the windows, the doors, the walls where the ants might be getting in, and seal these openings with caulk or weather stripping to keep them out. Number 3, set up ant baits. Use ant traps and baits, which you can find at a store. They sell them everywhere. These contain poison that ants carry back to the colony, so that helps eliminate the problem at the source. Number 4, natural remedies. If you prefer natural solutions, try mixing equal parts of vinegar and water in a spray bottle and spray it. Spray the mixture all around the points in the areas where you see the ants. Another option is to sprinkle baking soda, all right, in areas where the ants are active. Number 5, keep the food stored. Store foods in airtight containers. Keep pet food covered. It makes it less likely for the ants to go find something to eat. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce and get rid of ants in your home.